Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to change your battery on a Chevy Cruze. This is 2013, but it's the same thing from 2016 down to when they first came out, when they switched from cobalt. So you're going to need some 10 millimeters to get these out. Alright, and there's a tab right here. You want to pull this one right here. Come around on this side, there should be one over there, or you can just pull up on it like that. Alright, so that's the first part. So now I'm going to take off the battery terminal. I'm also going to take all these and paint it, but I'm not going to put that on the video. I'm just going to put the how to change the battery. Alright. Alright, so you want to go ahead and take off the battery terminal, 10 millimeter. Take that out. Take this off. 10 millimeter also. And hook it from over here. Okay. Take this off. 10 millimeter also. And it's like some hooks on the battery, so you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver or a pry tool to get that off. All right, because this won't come up like that because there's some hooks on the side. All right. All right, so you want to get your flathead screwdriver, put it right here, unclip that part over there. On the other side, put it down there, see it right there, and clip that side. Alright, and you want to hold right here and just pull up on it and it should come up. Alright, so hold it like this. I pull up on it, that should come up. You want to slide the battery down this way from underneath this. Alright, and then you want to lift the battery up. Alright, got that battery out. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up right here, and then install your new battery. Clean your terminals. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna install my new battery. All right. And also I want to clean this right here and maybe paint it. I won't do that on the video, so I can keep the video short. All right. Alright, so you're going to get your battery, put it the same way you take it out. Clean this some more and I'll get back on the video. Take that off and close this up. You can also I'm going to paint this also too. So get back on the video with that one. Alright, so got this painted, nothing too fancy. Down in place. Tight. I'm gonna get this down in place too. So it goes in like this. This gotta lock into some small holes down there. Yeah, you can see it. on both sides, so you want to make sure this part go in the groove. Alright, there it goes. Now it's time to clean this up now. I sprayed the cleaner on it so it could melt away the corrosive. And then I'm gonna install it, alright? Alright, so I got it nice and clean. Just put it right here and tighten it down. And put some protector on it, alright? On both of them. Alright, so got the protector. Alright guys, that's it. Please go ahead and hit the thumbs up down below. Help me help you. Subscribe to the channel. See you next time.